As parents, we all come to the point where the kids have all grown and left the nest. As an empty nester, you may be thinking what the next steps of home ownership looks like for you. Hi, this is Sridhar, the real estate broker in the Bay Area. For some empty nesters, owning a two-story home with extra bedrooms is no longer a necessity. It might be a good time to sell your house and move to the right size to a single-story home as you move into your golden years. Purchasing a one-story home may check all the boxes and give you long-term benefits. And if you are thinking if there are enough one-story homes available, you will be glad to learn that the number of single-story homes being built today has increased, improving your odds of finding the best perfect home for your changing needs. According to National Association of Home Builders says that nationwide, the share of new homes with 2 or more stories fell from 53% in 2018 to 52% in 2019, while the share of new homes with 1 story grew from 47% to 48%. So, what are all the benefits of buying a one-story home and why are they so popular with the older generation? Number 1, they are energy efficient and easier to heat and cool than 2 stories. Number 2, they are easier to maintain. Generally, cleaning requires less effort. Number 3, they are accessible for everyone regardless of young children or seniors. Number 4, they usually hold well in regards to resale value as they are often in higher demand. If you are thinking of downsizing into that perfect one-story home, let us connect so I can help you to make that opportunity a reality. Once again, this is Sridhar, the real estate broker with the tradition of excellence and integrity. Feel free to call us and we can guide you in all your real estate needs. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.